I want to solve one more problem on iteration method, students. Write down the problem. Find the root of the equation x power 4 minus x minus 13 is equal to 0 by using iteration method. Solution. So students, let f of x is equal to, what is f of x, students? X power 4 minus x minus 13, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0, students. Now you check here f of 0, you put 0, students, 0. You get here minus 13 less than 0, students. And f of 1 power 4 minus 1 minus 13, again we get here minus 13 which is less than 0. And f of 2, students, f of 2, we get here 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 13, that is equal to 8 to 16 minus 15, that is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore, count it, students. Root lies between 1 and 2. Root lies between 1 and 2. So select x naught, students, here. Select x naught. So if I observe here, f of 1 value, it is minus 13. So it is far away to 0. So f of 2, 1, it is nearer to 0. So I want to select x naught as 1.8, students. 1.8. X naught value is 1.8. Okay. I am selecting here x naught as 1.8. Now what is iteration method, students? Iteration method. You have to write x is equal to phi of x, students, first. And then what is formula? xn plus 1 is equal to phi of xn. Here n is equal to, student, 0, 1, 2 and so on. What, students? 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now if I write here x is equal to, here x is equal to, we transpose this, we get x, so we get here x power 4 minus 13. Here x is equal to, I can write phi of x, students. What is phi of x here? X power 4 minus 13. What is phi dash of x, students? Phi dash of x, we get here 4x cube. If I substitute here 4 into x naught value 1.8 whole cube, this value is not less than 1, students. This value is not less than 1. Okay, students? But our condition is must satisfy phi dash at x naught value less than 1, students. Less than 1. So we select such that x is equal to phi of x and modulus phi dash at x naught value less than 1, students. So that what I have done here, you transpose these two terms to the right hand side, students. So x power 4, that is equal to x plus 13, students. X plus 13. Now x is equal, students, x is equal to x plus 13 whole power. Here we have power. Here 1 by 4. Now what is phi? This is like x is equal to phi of x. So phi of x is x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4, students. 1 by 4. If I differentiate there, definitely the value is less than 1, students. See here. Now write here x power 4, that is equal to x plus 13, students. That implies That implies x is equal to x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4. Now this is like x is equal to phi of x. Phi of x. Now you find phi dash of x, students. Phi dash of x, that is equal to, what is phi dash of x value, students? Here phi of x is equal to x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4, students. So phi dash of x is 1 by 4 into x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4 minus 1, students. That is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1, students. 1 by 4 minus 1. That is equal to, we get here minus 1 minus 4. That means minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 means that is equal into x plus 13 whole power 3 by 4, students. This minus 3 by 4 can be written as in the right in the denominator, we get positive here. So always whenever I substitute here phi dash at x naught, that is phi dash, what is x naught, students? 1.8. That is equal to 1 by 4 into, you substitute here 1.8 plus 1 by 13 whole power 3 by 4. See, students, here we have 1 by 4, students. So this value is always less than 1. This value is always less than 1, definitely. So phi of x is x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4, students. Okay, phi of x is x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4. What is our formula, students, here? Xn plus 1 is equal to phi of xn. Phi of xn. Now n is equal to 0, students. First approximation. First approximation. What is first approximation? N is equal to 0, students. We get x1, that is equal to phi of x naught. That is equal to, what is phi of x, students? Phi of x, come on, tell me, phi of x is x plus 13. So what is x naught here? What is x naught? 1.8. So first step I want to write, students. So x naught 13 whole power 1 by 4. X naught is 1.8 plus 13 whole power 1 by 4. That is equal to, see, students, here I fix here at 3 decimal places. 13 plus 1.8, students. 14.8. You write here 14.8. There is a reverse V, students. You put press reverse V and put bracket here, students, because we have 1 by 4. So you write 1 by 4. Bracket close, students. That is equal to, we get here 1.961, students. 1.961. Now you go to second approximation. Second approximation. x2, that is equal to phi of x1, student. Phi of x1 means here you write this value here. So simply 1.961 plus 13 whole power 1 by 4, students. That is equal to already we have 1.961 here, students. We just add plus 13. That is equal to, we get here 14.961. Again put cap, put bracket, 1 by 4, students. Bracket close, we get 1.967. 1.967. We go to third approximation. X3, that is equal to phi of x2, that is equal to 1.967 plus 13 whole power 1 by 4, students. That is equal to, already we have 1.967 plus 13, students. We get here 14.967. Put cap here, students. Cap. Again put bracket, 1 divided by 4. Bracket close. That is equal to, we get here again 1.967. So students, these two are equal. Therefore, approximate root is approximate root is, students, 1.967. This is the root of given problem, students. This is the root of given problem. 1 second, students, here. You put 0 less than 0, 1 less than 0, 2 greater than 0. So the root lies between here, students, 1 and 2. Now I observe here This value is far away to 0. This value is nearer to 0. So I select x naught here as 1.8. Of course, students, you can take 1.5 also. If I take 1.5, the number of approximation may be increase. Okay, students. So I'm taking 1.8 here, and then write iteration method formula, students. Xn plus 1 is equal phi of xn. Now I need to find phi of x. So that by observing this equation, here we have x, students. So I write here x is equal to x power 4 minus 13. So phi of x is pi minus 13. I find phi dash of x, students, but it is greater than 1. So again, by observing this equation, here, what I done here, x power 4, I transpose this two term to the right hand side, x plus 13. X is equal to x plus 13 whole power 1 by 4, students. So whenever there is a 1 by 4, I differentiate, I get minus 1, students, here. Then the value is definitely less than 1. See, students, here. Phi of x here. I differentiate with respect to x, and I substitute here 1.8, the initial point. It is clearly less than 1, students. Less than 1. It satisfies the condition. Phi dash of x not less than 1. Okay. And then I am substituting n is equal to 0 here. I get one value. 2, 3. And second and third approximation values are equal. So the root is 1.967. Root is 1.967. Hope you understand, students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.